My people. Hey, my dear, I just dey surprised as people they talk for what say this woman make a husband. Why he say he no want am? This man don't come out tell us say he no want the man, he no want the woman again. The woman now, see say he no well. I don't see and say yes, he have heartbroken, no wahala. I thought we women, seeing that a man just put light on top of another woman, we supposed to at least thank God say this one don't come and say he no want marry again. He no want marry again. As he no want marry, wetin can happen? You woman, a man say he no want marry you want buy yourself. But the reason why I know you labored, we know this, you labored. You did a lot. Remember, you are somebody's child. You are somebody's daughter. And that person wants you alive. The person who gave birth to you wants you to be alive. Please, don't give yourself to a man completely that you will not want even to be alive. Somebody who see the situation of this woman and still come out to say you no want her, this and that, that and that and that and that. Una no know say the man he mean am. Una want make he burn am with fuel. Una want make he use a cutlass cut in head. Now that one now una want. Abeg, Two-Face. You see name wey they even answer. This one said now one face. He don't show us say he no want am, he no want am. Abeg, no one should blame him. Instead, let us gather together to thank him for coming out to tell us. Then I want to say this to all women. Encourage this woman at this time. Speak peace for this woman. Say it all. Encourage. You don't know what she has been passing through. She have other children she is training with her own children, her own. Look at the emotional blackmail all through. She have not known when she enjoyed herself. She have just been suffering for this in this marriage. If she didn't know he's suffering, we all know he's suffering. Therefore, we are saying, okay, we accept what Two-Face said to Annie. Annie, don't worry. Come across my video. The word has not finished. Word has not finished, oh. Sit down and eat well. Cool down. You will see you will come back again. Continue your destiny. Continue what you're doing. That thing you're doing before. Go back in your acting very well. We love this. Please, we want you to be alive. And this is what we women, I myself is saying. And I know my fans will support me on this. Please, Annie, we love you. People, my people. Ha! Odiwo. Obi na-agbawa m. Obi na-agbawa m nekene nwaanyị ibe m. Mgbe a na-eje di, nwaanyị akwado na ya na-eje di. Nwaanyị wee na-enezi anya. Wee mụwa ụmụ mụgide mụọ ụmụ isii. Hey! Ọ mụrụ nwoke, ọ mụrụ nwaanyị. Unu na-afụkwa ka ihu nwoke anụ nwa ji ọkụ wee gbagbuo nwunye ya, nufukwara ka ihu ya dị. Nwoke a dị ọ dị ka onye na-ese ahịhịa. Nwoke a dị ka onye gbara ajọ mmadụ. And o teela o ji na-eme nwaanyị a ihe. Mana nwaanyị a achọrọ ịna. Nwaanyị elechaa n'anya wee sị na ya mụrụ ụmụ isii ka ya nọrọ wee zụba. Ụmụnne m, biko, a na-ayọsi ndị mmadụ ike na-asị onye di ya na-eti ihe na family buru ngwongwo gị separate godu ọka mma. At least maka ọdịmma nke ụmụazị, biko. Hey, obi na-agbawa m.